Speaker sir, also Unity Molacho issue, it has a lot of hidden illegalities, Speaker sir. The principal district court recently squashed off the construction license issued by the Chimbal village panchayat, deeming it invalid from unlawful orders of
Speaker
the
sir, point
video
of
and the
order.
DOP.
Speaker sir, point of order. Courtan struck down Corona construction license. सरकाराक सांगला सारखे तुटीन ते construction license ची follow up करून घे. We had option of going into appeal or we had the option of putting things in place starting. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी डिसाइड केले की emotions and sentiments of the people were taken into consideration. I don't want to get into the legality of the thing here. ताका जाले सुरुवात करून हांव सोपयतलो. पण हांगाच्यान ते जेन्ना सुरुवात करता कोर्टाची भाशा हांगा मिसइंटरप्रेट करची न्ही ही म्हजी रिक्वेस्ट.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.